All right, so hopefully you guys just watched our Industry Day at the Range video from SHOTShow. Today, we're in Las Vegas at?
EagleRider.
That's right, EagleRider Motorcycle Rentals. We've rented one Harley and one Yamaha Bolt, and we're going to go right across the Hoover Dam. We're going to go check out a bunch of cool stuff, maybe see Tom Devlin's Monster Museum in Boulder City. Should be a lot of fun.
Yeah, maybe make it over to Red Rocks if we have time. I'm excited to get some riding in. It's nice weather out. Great day.
Yeah, really nice weather here in Vegas. I think it's like low 60s, so it's perfect. Yeah, so come with us. So we just got out here to this scenic overlook area at Lake Mead. So pretty.
So cool. I didn't even know we were going to come through here.
Yeah, this is really neat. We're going to put the drone up for a little bit and then eventually get back on the bikes and continue onto the dam. But yeah, really pretty.
right. Hi. We are here at the Hoover Dam.
That's right. We went through the security checkpoint. We crossed over the top of the dam. It was really cool. The dam road was really cool, crossing over the dam. And now we parked our bikes and we're going to go walk onto the dam and take some dam pictures.
That's right. It's a great damn day.
What do you think of the Hoover Dam?
It's cool. I wish it had more water in it, though. It's a little scary.
All right, so we're here at the top of the Hoover Dam, somewhat in the middle, and we've looked over both sides. Both are equally impressive, but we think we're a little more partial to this one with the Pat Tillman Bridge going across the gorge. It's absolutely incredible. All right, we just got done taking a look at the Hoover Dam, having some dam food from the Dam Cafe. And now we're going to get back on these bikes, go back up the dam road, and see what other kind of trouble we can get into.
Sounds good.
Yeah, we may go to Boulder City and see what's over there. We may just go back to the EagleRider. Who knows? We'll see. So if this is all of the video, thanks for tuning in. And if not, there will be more footage right now.